17, 18, 19, 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do you remember doing counting on with me last week? Let's see if we can do it without me writing down numbers. Let's start counting with 5 and count to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How about this time? Let's start with 12 and go to 16. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's start with 9 and go to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's try one more. Let's do a big number. Let's start with 25 and go to 30. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How'd you do? Today, our math lesson is going to be pretty short, but it's very important. We have been talking some about measurement. And last week, we measured the height of something. The height is how tall or how short something is. Well, this week, I want to talk about length. Length is when you measure something to find out how long it is. So instead of measuring how tall, we measure how long it is. Now, Randy made me this wonderful easel here to use as we were teaching. And as a result, he had some leftover boards. So let me see if I can get all of these in the picture. Now, all of them are about the same height, but the length of them is different, how long they are. So, what I would like you to help me with today is to put these in order on the easel. And to make it so that they stack nicely, we're going to start today with the board that you think is the longest one. Is it this one? This one? How about this one? I think so. So we're going to take that board and we are going to put it on the easel. Now, we're going from the longest to the shortest. So with the boards I have left, which one of those is the longest one? That one? How about this one? I think it's this one. So to make sure, remember I have to match up the edge so that they are exactly even with each other, so that I make sure that I'm measuring them, the length of them from the shortest or from the longest to the shortest. All right, now of the two I have left, which one do you think comes next? Did you pick this one? Let's see. I'd have to do a little arranging here to pull it out a little bit. Making sure my edges are even. Okay. I'm kind of like I'm jumping up here, and let's check on that last piece. We went from, now if we start at the top now, we could say we went from the shortest down to the longest. And I could even use my easel, the rest of my easel on there, and say that the bottom part of the easel is definitely the longest. So when you're measuring length, remember you're measuring how long something is. Now, tomorrow we are going to use our tape measure or our ruler, or if you're going to measure with non-standard like paper clips or pennies or something, make sure you have something like that handy, because tomorrow we are actually going to measure to see how long some objects around my house are. Let's go back and try a tough one. Let's start at 83 and go to 87. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. You up for one more? Let's go from 55 to 62. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Nice working today, my friends. I will see you later.